Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make lentil peas soup Trini style. First, gather your ingredients, including 1 pound of split peas, fresh thyme, and a few pimento peppers. Soaking the peas for at least 2 hours, or even overnight, will significantly cut down on your cooking time later. Don't forget to chop your aromatics finely. Next, drain your soaked split peas and place them in a large pot with about 6 cups of fresh water. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer until they are very tender, which usually takes around 45 minutes. Remember to skim off any foam that rises to the top. For a richer consistency, mash about 1/4 of the cooked peas directly in the pot. Now, let's build that incredible Trini flavor. In a separate pot, heat 2 tablespoons of oil and sauté your chopped garlic, onion, and pimento peppers until they are fragrant and slightly softened. Stir in 2 tablespoons of your favorite curry powder and cook for about 1 minute, allowing the spices to toast. Then, add 1 can of coconut milk and 3 cups of water to create a delicious base. Finally, combine your cooked peas with the flavorful curry base. Stir everything together and let it simmer for another 10 minutes. This is the perfect time to add fresh thyme sprigs and cilantro, allowing their aromas to infuse the soup. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and black pepper as needed. Serve your delicious Trini lentil peas soup hot, perhaps with some fluffy rice or warm roti.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.